He wasn't an engineer, but he solved a problem that left a whole team of seasoned engineers completely speechless. This is the incredible story of a construction worker named Ramil. Picture this. A massive new building project is underway. A skyscraper that will change the city's skyline. But there's a huge problem. Deep in the foundation, there's a complex structural issue that nobody can figure out. The project managers are getting nervous. The engineers are holding endless meetings, and every day of delay is costing a fortune. Amidst all this chaos, there's Ramil. He's a quiet guy, one of the many workers on site, doing the hard physical labor day in and day out. He's been listening to the engineers' conversations, watching them scratch their heads over blueprints. He sees the problem from a different perspective, a practical, hands-on one. One afternoon, during his lunch break, he grabs a discarded piece of cardboard and a pencil. In just a few minutes, he sketches out a simple, yet brilliant, solution. It's a drawing that shows a clever way to reinforce the structure, something no one had thought of. He nervously approaches the lead engineer, holding up his cardboard drawing. The engineer takes one look, scoffs, and dismisses him with a wave of his hand. "Leave the thinking to us," he says. "Just get back to your work." Ramil is crushed, but what can he do? He's just a laborer. He folds up his drawing and puts it in his pocket. Weeks go by. The delays get worse. The company is now millions of dollars over budget. Tensions are at an all-time high. The engineers have tried everything, but nothing is working. They're at a complete dead end. Finally, in a moment of sheer desperation, one of the younger engineers remembers the worker with the cardboard drawing. He mentions it in a meeting, half-jokingly. With nothing left to lose, the project manager says, "Find him. Find that drawing." They track Ramil down. He reluctantly pulls out the worn, folded piece of cardboard. The lead engineer looks at it again, but this time, he really looks. His eyes widen. He passes it to another engineer, and then another. A silence falls over the room as they all stare at the simple sketch. It was so straightforward, so elegant. Why didn't they see it? They decided to give it a try. And guess what? It worked perfectly. Ramil's idea not only solved the problem, but also saved the project from total failure and saved the company millions. The company executives were stunned. Who was this guy? They immediately launched an investigation into his background. They discovered that Ramil had once been a promising engineering student at a top university. But tragedy struck his family, and he had to drop out due to poverty to support them. His dream was put on hold, but his brilliant mind never stopped working. The company did something amazing. They didn't just give him a bonus. They offered Ramil a full scholarship to go back and finish his engineering degree. And the moment he graduated, they hired him. Not as a laborer, but as a full-time site engineer on that very same project. Ramil's story is a powerful reminder to never judge a book by its cover. Talent and genius can be found in the most unexpected places. It's a lesson to always listen, to stay humble, and to never, ever underestimate the quiet ones. Thanks for watching. If this story inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. We'll see you in the next one.